Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. On my right hand, this overview is the products, countertop styling, the steam warmers. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. The unit's entire length is about like a 15 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like 18.5 inches deep. And the overall height, it is about like a 29.5 inches tall. So as we can see, the units they come with the two plugs. They're both 110 voltage, and this one is for the steaming pan at the bottoms, and this one is for the LED lights on the top. We're having the three set of banners, white banners, and these plugs you can simply to plug right here these positions and connect with the main powers to all lights. And also we can see they have a temperature adjusters. We can see this one. And they do having water level, the measurements, the engagements right here. And this one is the water pipe connections, and you can just drain out all the waters from this bottom case. And when we open it, they have a handlebars. We can see they do having 5 layers inside of it. And on side of it, we can see the layers. Actually, they can adjustable the heights on this side. And the dimensions for the inner side, it is about like 12.5 inches deep, and the wide about 12 inches. And the overall height, it is about like 18 inches and a half. On top of the units, we can see they do have a manufacturer sticker informations. They give you the units using the 1200 watts, 60 hertz, and the 110 power, running the temperature range from the 50 degrees to the 110 degrees Celsius. And this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, just contact with us. Thank you.